Well, here we have Arron and Barbie Fisher. What would you say to people attending the program has done for you?
Attending the program for me has just given me a drive to learn. It has given me the tools that I need to continue in my life, to learn and how to deal with issues and work through things and just let it go, and replacing that with love.
Wow. Barbie, how about you?
It's taught me to open my flappers and to look other places for answers. There's a phrase that you taught us, I can't think what it is right now, that you can't keep on doing the thing you've been doing and expect different results, and you can't keep on listening to the same information and expect different results. And the concept that helped me most, though, I think, is loving myself and accepting myself. When I realized that I could accept myself, it blew my world apart. It did.
And what would you say to people who are trying to figure out, is this the right place to go? Could it work for me? What would you tell these people?
Do you want to learn? If you have a desire to learn and to go deeper, the money is nothing towards what it actually does.
What's it done for your marriage?
It has just totally changed the way we communicate and look at each other. And Barbie especially likes, she likes when I just give her a hug, and during the day, and just little touches here and there that mean more to her than like, okay, now I have an hour. It's just a constant showing of love, just a demonstration, living the demonstration of love. And that has freed us to be much more intimate with each other.
Yes, it's definitely taken our marriage to new levels. Better communication, less value judging, especially on my part. So it's been great.